Hello everyone, Hans from Kunidev. In today's lessons, I'm going to show you how to add music and sounds into your games. Sounds is a really important tool in game development. It's not just about making noise, it's about creating atmosphere, setting the mood, and giving the player feedbacks. Without sounds, games feels flat and lifeless. But with the right audio, your game can become more immersive, emotional, and unforgettable. So in the next 5 to 10 minutes, you'll be doing something like this. So let's play this game. Okay, your music background will be played on the wake and it will be looping forever. With the settings in this audio source settings, you can change the volume here. Okay, and I have already provided you 3 buttons here with 3 different kind of sound effect. Let's try. The upgrade button and the level up button. Okay, I promise you, this will be so simple and easy. Even a starter or a beginner rifle just like you. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's start with importing the sounds that you want to use in your games. So in this one, you will see a few sound effects and music that I'm gonna use into the game. So I'm gonna drag and drop these sounds into my asset sounds folder. So it's imported. Okay, great, let's close it. Okay, now in the hierarchy tab, left click and create empty game object. Let's rename it music. Okay, so in this music game object, add component and click audio source. Okay, this one. Okay, now this is extremely easy. Just drag and drop the BGM or this music that you want to add into your sound. So in this case, I'm gonna drag and drop these sounds or this music into this audio resource. Okay, and I'm gonna check loop because I want the music to be looping forever. Reduce a little bit volume if it's too loud. So let's try and check it first. Let's play. Okay, now the music plays exactly as what we want. Okay, easy, right? Now the next thing we will do is to add sound effect to the 3 buttons here. Okay, let's start this one. Okay, the next thing we will do is to add sound effect game object. So left click again in the hierarchy tab, create empty. Just type in sound effect. Okay, great. Now in the sound effect, it will be a little bit different with the music because in music we only add 1 sound, but in the sound effect there will be a couple of sound effect that will be used inside this sound effect game object. So I'm gonna write a script and I'm gonna rename it sound script. Okay, I'm gonna show you what is inside this sound script. Okay, let's wait for a moment. Okay, there's a couple things inside this script. First, I'm gonna have the audio clip array. I'm gonna rename it SFX clip. So this array will store the reference to the sound effect in this game. So this will store the sound of this sound effect. Okay, and the public audio source is the reference to the audio source that plays this audio clip. And I have already write a simple logic function that plays the SFX. It will have the parameter of the index of the SFX clip, and this check is to check if the index is within the SFX clip length, and then it will play the SFX based on the index of that SFX clip. Okay, so if this is your first time writing script, don't have to worry too much. You can just copy and type in this exactly the same script here into your own script, into your own project. Okay, now we go to the sound effect here and go to the script, drag and drop the sound script here. Okay, now because I have 3 SFX, I'm gonna add 3 lists, 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna drag and drop the SFX into this SFX clip array. Okay, clip is number element 0, upgrade is element 1, and level up is element 2. So where is this audio source needed? Well, you can just add the audio source here, and then okay, drag and drop the audio source into this SFX source. That's it. It's really easy, right? It's really simple. Okay, now the sound effects script already been set up. Now we are going to reference that sound effect into the button click. So let's go to the button click here, add the plus button. Okay, drag and drop sound effect into this empty place, then click this no function drop down, reference the sound and play SFX function. Okay, remember this is the index that you will pass to reference the order of the script, the order of the SFX script. So 0 represent click, 1 represent upgrade, 2 represent level up. So in this case, click, button click will represent 0, so it will play the click SFX. Now upgrade, let's add it, add, drag and drop sound effect, sound play SFX, and let's put 1 here because the upgrade will use the index 1, and the last one, the level up, drag and drop sound play SFX and 2. Okay, so if you add 3 here, the sound will not play anything because 3 is not in these elements here. It's outside this array, so it will not play anything. So pay more attention on that things. So let's return and add 2. Okay, now if everything is correct, and let's try it. Okay, now the music play as we intended. Now let's try the click button. Wow, it's working. Let's try the upgrade button. It's working, right? Cool. And then the last one, the level up. Man, this is exactly as what we want to happen. So after doing all these steps and step by step, it's easy and really simple to do. So the next time you want to add sound and you want to add music, you can just do these things and it will work perfectly as what you want. So if you have any more questions or comments, or you want to see something tutorial about Unity 6, you can just drop in some comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. I think that's all for today. See you next time.